Ah, Monday, back to work. No, time to win the lotto so I can just concentrate on other things. But someone's got to win the money. But to make my day a little bit more fun, I brought someone with me. Hey, how are we getting to work?
On a ferry.
Yeah, we're gonna catch the ferry today.
It's somewhere north of Florida, a little west of Georgia. At my best, you're not impressed, guess I'm a loser. Both my wings are frozen, cold like Minnesota, pinned between the borders with the rest. But I try not to need you like you need me. And I try not to need you like you need me. I'm sick and tired of living in LA, where the sun is out but there's so much shade. I need a place to go with the seasons, and no one now has a reason to be cold-hearted. To be cold-hearted.
Good chocolate. What about the view? Is the view alright? Scary view. Yeah, it's pretty cool, eh? You can see the glass house mountains in the distance. Yeah, very cool.
Throw the flames into the water, but I try not to need you like you need me. And I try not to need you like you need me. I'm sick and tired of living in LA, where the sun is out but there's so much shade. I need a place.
It's been a very busy Monday today, hasn't it?
I'm scared. Everybody's staring at me.
Yeah. Anyway, time to get some lunch. What do you think? What should we have?
Sushi.
Sushi? Alright. Let's go get some sushi from the sushi. Yeah. Happy?
With the seasons, and no one now has a reason to be cold-hearted. To be cold-hearted.
Ice cream time. It's very hot today, isn't it? We got a toy from the sushi shop. Yeah. Oh.
Hello.
Yeah. Very hot today. What are we doing now?
Giving him money.
What? Oh, okay. But who are we gonna go see now?
Papa.
Babja. Who's Babja?
Grandma.
Grandma. Yeah, we're gonna go visit Grandma. And we're gonna give him money. Here you go. Alright. But you gotta be quick because give him a bit more. He sounds good.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah? You like giving them money?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I do it too.
Because you do it too. That's right. Lumi plays violin in front of Woolies and makes money. So whenever she sees someone playing violin or guitar or any other instrument, she loves to give them money as well. Isn't that right? Good karma, isn't it? Wow, it's hot today.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah. How hot is it?
150 degrees.
150 degrees. Wanna have a race?
Yeah.
Who's faster, me or the elevator? Go! You get the elevator, I get the stairs. No, you get the elevator. Yeah. That's what you get for being a smarty pants. No one.
I won.
How'd you win?
I came before you. You were still on the steps.
That makes no sense at all. Smarty pants. Did you have fun at Daddy's work today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good fun?
But we didn't have enough hot chocolate.
It's too hot for hot chocolate.
Last time I ate like 5 hot chocolate. And now this time I only ate 1.
But that's last time you came was during winter.
Doesn't matter.
It's too hot for hot chocolate.
Doesn't matter.
We had ice cream and sushi.
Still not enough.
Now what are we doing?
Going to
Ferry, get the ferry.
get the ferry and going to the house.
Yep.
And I try not to need you like you need me. I'm sick and tired of living in LA, where the sun is out but there's so much shade. I need a place to go with the seasons, and no one out has a reason to be cold-hearted, to be cold-hearted. I'm way too cold to hold you.
Back home now, and decided to take a walk because our New Year's resolution is to what? To walk more, get healthy, right?
And I need to get my 6-pack.
Oh, Lumi wants to get a 6-pack. All right, so we're gonna get a little bit more fit, but
And the dog is crazy.
he wants to really go for a walk. Junior, you want to go for a walk?
Are you crazy?
All right, sit down. Let him off the leash. Time to go for. Yeah.
Set. Junior, over there, over there. Ready? Set, ready? Go!
Where is he? Gone. Gone.
He just disappears, but if you get a stick, he comes back. Yeah! Want a stick? You want a stick? Oh, Daddy, you throw it, I can throw.
Just get him.
Try not to need you like you need me. And I try not to need you like you need me. I'm sick and tired of living in LA, where the sun is out but there's so much shade. I need a place to go with the seasons, and no one out has a reason.
So the idea is to walk to the top of the hill to see the sunset, and then walk around the back of the forest on the way back home. No, that doesn't look like Uluru. Oh my god. Well, anyway, so we gotta get fit. We gotta get Junior fit. We gotta get to top of the hill as quick as possible.
If Junior doesn't get fit, like Yurek, our other dog, he's gonna get like...
Become a whinger like you, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, to the top of the hill we go. Alright, so we made it. Got to the top, finally. Just before the sunset hit. Now we gotta go around the bush, around the back, through the bush. So hopefully there's no snakes, because it's been really, really hot here.
What did you say?
Hopefully there's no snakes. Like the one in the bushes right behind you. Yeah, it's been really hot. It was 38 degrees yesterday. Today I reckon it was a good
150.
34, 35. So really hot today. So definitely need a walk, and then afterwards we'll go for a swim.
Yay!
Yeah, if you're good. Which means we're not going for a swim. Okay, we're walking down the hill now, so I reckon it's time to try to get Junior to chase us again. Here he comes, you can see the stick. Alright buddy, you ready? Lumi's already on the run. You ready? But I want the stick back. You understand? Ready? Go! Go get the stick! Come on! Bring the stick! Bring the stick! Go chase Lumi! He's dropped the stick. Junior! Your stick! Crazy pup. 2 years old, full of energy. Hiding from Lumi, see if she can see me. I'm great at disguising.
No, I could see you right there.
Let's see how long Junior will sit and stay before he gets sick of it. Stay, buddy, stay. Don't move, stay. Stay. Lumi's already way ahead. Stay. Stay. Hey! Ah, Junior! Hey! Ah, he saw the stick, that's why. Alright, try 2. Stay. Lumi's got no sticks. Let's see how he goes this time. Stay! No! 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 No!
Getting my stick back.
Oh, gosh. You're too full of energy, Junior. The good thing about living in this area is 2 minutes up the road, we've got this beautiful state forest.
And Junior's dripping down.
And this beautiful state forest is here. And it's next to the highway. And they're constructing some houses along the side, but I really hope they don't demolish this.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
They can't have the half thing. But
No, they can't have any of it. This is beautiful. There's koalas in here.
Really?
Yep, there's kangaroos in here.
There's even termite houses in here.
Yeah, those can go. But there's koalas and kangaroos in this state forest. I really hope the government doesn't sell this to the developers, because this is a beautiful nature strip here.
Limbo. I can do it.
Just go over. It's gonna be on YouTube fails. These guys have probably the best views in town of the mountain. Especially in that pool. Big pool over there. Oh no!
It was a joey.
We just saw a kangaroo. A little joey. We just saw a little kangaroo here, but I couldn't get the camera on in time. Ran away. Well, we gotta end the vlog. It's like 7:30 at night. We're sitting in the pool quietly. This camera's not too bad in the low light, is it? Yeah, not bad. You can still see us.
And I love doing the cartwheels in the water. Like you jump and did a cartwheel and try to do a backflip.
No backflips here tonight. It's too dark.
It doesn't say backflip.
And too noisy, so.
Bomb jokes.
So we're off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos. And we'll see you next time.
Bye bye.